Let's be honest, cybersecurity isn't the first thing most business owners think about when starting or scaling their company. They're focused on customers, delivery, growth, payroll, and supply chains. But here's the truth. Cybersecurity is no longer optional. It's not just a tech concern, it's operational. It's legal, it's reputational. Every business, whether you're a manufacturing shop, a healthcare provider, a logistics firm, a design studio, or an online retailer, processes data. And that data, it's valuable. If you can't identify what you have, you can't protect it. And if you can't protect it, someone else will exploit it. Let's start with the basics. NIST defines data as structured information used for processing or decision making. In business context, that might be customer names, payment details, proprietary workflows, vendor contracts, employee health records. It's all data. And attackers know how to monetize all of it. From a national perspective, we're seeing increasing targeting of small and mid-sized businesses because attackers know you're not always protected. They know you're using legacy IT systems. They know you might not have a cybersecurity budget. And they know more often than not, the door is wide open. We've seen successful breaches in law offices, marketing agencies, local government contractors, transportation companies, and yes, even coffee shops using internet-connected point-of-sale systems. Here's what they're after: access. Because access equals leverage. That might mean access to your customer database, or access to your remote desktop, or access to a defense contractor upstream in your supply chain. That's why it starts with data awareness. We call it data mapping. You need to know, 1, what types of data you're collecting, where does it live, who can access it, how long do you retain it, and what happens if it's stolen or corrupted. The Cybersecurity and Infrastructure Security Agency, or CISA, puts it simply: you cannot protect what you do not understand. Now, this isn't just about compliance, it's about protecting what you've built. You don't have to solve everything in one quarter, but you do have to start. That's why Project Spectrum is here to help you get started with our cyber advisory services. So secure what you can, build momentum, grow your business, knowing that you've protected its most valuable asset, trust, and meet with a cybersecurity advisor today.